I'm Chrisellen and I'm here with Andreas. We are part of an excellent team here at St. Raphael Resort and Marina in Limassol, Cyprus. And Andreas is going to make for us some green curry with chicken, some Thai cuisine. So let's start. First, we preheat the pan and add some oil. We let it heat for a little while, for a couple of minutes. And first we add the curry paste. This paste, it's ready-made, we can make it. We'll have another recipe, another day in the recipe will show you how to make it. It's really easy with fresh ingredients. We put it to saute it so the flavors and all the texture opens up and we smell the original Thai cuisine. Spread it around the pan to open nicely. It already starts to smell so nice. When the paste starts to melt and gets a little bit more smooth, we add the coconut cream. Slowly and nice. We blend it together to give it, it smells nice. It already started to smell really nice. We put them together to dissolve real nicely, to become one. All the flavors come out now. It's smelling amazing, guys. Then we add the coconut milk. We let the heat to make reduction. So all the watery ingredients cook down to one nice and creamy texture. We add just a little more water because we don't want it to be a lot thick. We want it to be more creamy way. We have it on medium heat so it doesn't burn and it allows the chicken to cook properly. Now we add the chicken. The chicken we can cut it in stripes, or if you want you can chop it. Either way you want. It's much easier if you cut it in stripes. Well, it depends on with what you want to serve it. It goes really well with jasmine rice cooked with some coconut cream. But it also goes with some potatoes, some puree, whatever you desire. We're gonna cook it for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. The smell, guys, is amazing. We add a little bit more water. And then we add the eggplant. The eggplant is better if we chop it because we have some peas as well. So we want the things to have the same shape, almost the same shape. Then we add the peas, fresh peas. And as all the recipes, it depends on your taste. If you want to add more peas, you add more peas. If you want to add more eggplant, you add more eggplant. The basic ingredients here are the paste and the flavors you put in it. The main ingredient is the chicken and the paste. Now we put some kaffir lime leaves. These are first thing in the Thai cuisine. They use it, I think, everywhere, almost everywhere, to be correct. And it gives amazing texture and smell. We add some fresh basil, fresh from our garden here at St. Raphael. Immediately the basil, as long as you put it in, it starts to smell. The flavors open up and it smells amazing. For the end, we're gonna leave the fish sauce and the chili. This is a palm sugar. It comes from palm trees. And it's also a really basic ingredient in Thai cuisine. And at the end, we put the fish sauce. And we're almost ready. We need it to reduct, to become one creamy, nice texture, and we're ready. We need another 3 to 4 minutes to simmer. And I think we're good to eat. We add some more sauce. We don't want to make it as a soup, but we want it to have the sauce. You definitely want the sauce. To garnish it, we brought some molecular flowers. It's a no need, but it's nice and it looks professional. So you can use whatever you like. You can use roots. You can use nothing as well. You just can eat it just like that. And that's it. It's ready. Thank you very much. Enjoy.